guys, so I got this bag as a gift to myself for my birthday, my 30th birthday. She's got some wear and tear already. She looks like this. Ooch. Super cute. So first I'm gonna just show you the insert that I got for her. I got the insert on Amazon. It's just a red felt insert, and it keeps your girl more organized, to be honest. So the insert is like this. It has some pockets on the outside here, and then it has some pockets on the inside here. Oh, there's like this little, okay. What else is in there? Okay, so I just have this in there. So as you can see, there's like little pockets that keeps you nice and organized, which I love that. I love that for us. All right, so I took everything out of the, as I show you, I'm gonna like put it all back in there. So, and the insert is super easy to put in. You can just search red felt Louis bag insert and it will tell you like you'll know the size of your bag, and that's the size of the insert you would get for your bag. Okay, so I be having a lot of stuff up in here, I'm not gonna lie, even though I have these compartments and stuff like that. So mainly what I keep in there is I keep my wallet in there. My wallet is just like this. I need to get a matching wallet, honestly. Like I should have a matching wallet to this bag because it's a luxury item, it's higher quality, so you want to have like matching stuff, but I just haven't gotten around to it as of yet. So I have that in there. I have my budget binder normally in my purse. I take this with me everywhere I go. Just a cash envelope method binder, and then you can like write out your budget and your spending habits and everything. So it's very important, whether you have in it, whether you're not, you need to still have a budget. It's very responsible, and budgeting is actually a form of self-care. Okay, so what else do I have in my bag? So I'm gonna put my bag just right on the side of me, and I have everything out on the table that was inside my bag, and I'm just gonna put it back inside my bag as we go. So of course, everywhere I go, I keep some business cards in my purse with me everywhere I go. So I just keep a couple of them on me, and they go in like one of these little side pockets. If I ever am at a restaurant or I'm out and about, I always bring up that I am a lash artist, I own my own business, and I give people my business cards. So I always have a few lip glosses in my purse. This is Stay Gloss. I will link these glosses in the description box down below. I love these glosses. I have a couple of them in different colors, I was gonna say flavors. I normally keep a lash brush in here for when I have my lash extensions done. Right now I'm wearing strips, but normally when I have them done, I like to keep a lash brush just up on me in case I need to, you know, real quick. I have this lip gloss too. It's Carly Bible Il Maquillage. This one is in Star Child. This one is so like shimmery. I love it. It has to go with me everywhere I go, so I put that in my bag. I got some sunnies. These are just some aviator lenses. I love aviator lenses. Some people are like, oh my god, they look like cup glasses, but I love them, so I don't care. I love aviator glasses, so that goes with me in my purse. I do keep some deodorant on me. I use the Dove kind, the spray. I don't like the rub-on kind. I always like the aerosol cans. I don't know, I use the larger size one too regularly. I just like the spray one. So deodorants, I have this body mist. It's coconut mimosa. I keep that in my bag as well. Yes, hunty. Let me make sure that I'm getting it in these right little compartments here, because the compartments, not that it makes you have more space, but it just organizes everything better and it separates everything, so it's not all touching and you know exactly where everything is. I keep some hair scrunchies up on me for sure. You need those up in your purse, girl. Oh, this one is so okay. This is so dope. So like when you're going out to eat and stuff and you don't want to put your purse like next to you, and you obviously don't want to put your like designer bag on the floor, I got this from Amazon. So this like hooks on to the table like a magnet, like this part right here. And you can hang your purse off of the table. So mine looks like this, and I will link it down in the description box, the link to Amazon where I got it. But she's super cute. I always keep her in my bag, and I can just hang her right from the table. Mainly when I go out to eat, I don't want to put my bag in the booth or like on the floor. I would never put my bag on the floor. You should never put your bag on the floor. That is like definitely bad juju for real. Like, this is like a necessity for me because I'm always like going out to eat with friends and stuff, and I gotta put my bag somewhere. So that is important, girl. And then I have my nose rings always fall out all of the time, like especially when I'm wearing a stud. So I just have like spare little nose rings, mainly hoops, in my purse as well. Yeah, girl, yeah. Okay, and then I also have some gum that I keep in there. Gotta have gum in your bag, of course. I like the winter fresh kind. I like a mintier type of gum, but for my like mints, for some reason I like them fruity. My gum I like minty, and my mints I like fruity. Like, make it make sense, I don't know. But I always like to have this because, girl, you never know. Like, you never know. You gotta keep it on you. Yep. And then, all right, so I have, these aren't what are they called, AirPods. I bought a pair and I lost them, and I was not about to buy another pair, so I bought some like generic cheaper ones. Like, I'm not about to keep losing these, and like I wear them to the gym, and they're so freaking easy to lose. If you have AirPods, you know that like you're on your third or fourth pair. I'm not about to do that. I'm not about to do that to myself. I'm not about to go through all that. So these are like Pro Buds or whatever. Inexpensive, very affordable. You lose them, who cares? I'm not about to keep spending my dollars on no AirPods and I keep losing them. Sorry, not for me, not for me. I also have just some feminine products in my purse. Of course, I'm a lady, we gotta have that stuff. I recently just got a tattoo done. I got this part of my forearm done, and I'm next month I'm going to get the outer. So I just have 𝒟𝑒𝓂 for my tattoo, and then I have Lubriderm for my tattoo, and it's just what's in my purse. Okay, and then I have this, which is a magnetic liner. These are on sale on my Etsy store. So you literally just put this on your lash line. Why couldn't I think of the word? You put this on your lash line, and then you put this on the actual lash strip, and it just clicks like a magnet. These are on sale, and they're super cute, felt tip. So if you want to check those out, I will link my Etsy store down in the description box down below. And then I also have my camera. This is an older camera, guys. I really need to upgrade, but it's always like in my purse just in case if I want to like vlog or something like that, and I try to keep it charged. This is a Sony Alpha 5100 with the standard lens. It's Sony. It's pretty old. I like it because it has the flip up screen. The 6100 doesn't have the flip up screen, so yeah, I should probably get a new camera by now. It's outdated, whatever, you know, there's a whole bunch of new stuff on the market, but I like it. It's good, it's reliable, and I'm used to like working with it. So yep, I had this cookie in there. This is a plant-based cookie. I am going like alkaline vegan, but I'm kind of more like vegetarian vegan right now. I'm not fully committed to the alkaline yet, but I'm like transitioning. But this cookie is so good. It has 16 grams of protein, 10 grams of fiber. It's non-GMO, no soy, no dairy, no eggs, vegan, kosher, no high fructose corn syrup. That's like a tongue twister. Try to say that 10 times fast. No artificial sweeteners, 0 sugars, and it's sustainable palm oil. So Lenny and Larry's cookies, it tastes so good. So most plant-based products or vegan products taste very much like soy, and like it just tastes like I don't know how to describe it, but it tastes almost powdery. Like if you were to like eat protein, like a scoop of protein, and you just eat it, like this doesn't taste like it. It actually tastes like chocolate cookies or like chocolate chip cookies, so it's really good. I only like, oh, this is peanut butter chocolate chip. I only like the chocolate chip kind. I must have accidentally grabbed it, but the chocolate chip kind is really bomb. I don't really like peanut butter cookies, so I must have been in a rush. But try it out and see if you like it. Let me know how you like it in the comments. And then of course I have my mask. My mask is from my Etsy store. I sell these. They're $10. If you want a very cute, affordable, fashionable mask, I sell them, so I will have that in my description box down below. Super cute, easy to wear, it's breathable, it does have an insert, and it's washable as well. And these are Swarovski crystals, and they do not fall off at all. I have washed this a whole bunch of times and it has not fallen off at all. And then the pink always comes back to life. Like, I wear makeup, so sometimes makeup gets on there, and the pink always is like true to color, and it looks brand new every time I wash it. So I think it all looks pretty clean. It looks fairly new, but it's not new. But I love it, and I always get compliments on it. So, and I lash with that mask on too. So yep. And then I do just keep always a spare pair of lashes in my purse. These ones are called Boo You Whore. They are from my Mean Girls collection. These are also on sale on my Etsy website. I will link that in the description box down below. You can check it out. So yeah, that's pretty much everything that I have in my purse. Oh, and then I have this lip gloss too. This is from e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. This one is in the color Pink Cosmo. I love this. And I don't keep it in my purse, but I always just carry a water on me all the time because we need hydration. So yes, that's everything that I keep in my bag. I like to have bigger bags because I always carry a lot of stuff. That's just me personally. That's my personality. That's what I like to do. So yeah, I don't think I have anything else to say except for I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to smash that notification bell so you can be a part of the Glam fam. As always, guys, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe so you can be linked in on my newest content. I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.